Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find hidden tracking apps on your phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, go ahead, open up your settings, go back from the section and go to general. Now from this section, you're going to go ahead, go to the section of iPhone storage. Here, what you will do is you will be able to find all of the information, review photos, and here at the bottom, you will find the applications, including tap on show all, and you will find the application that has the storage as well. You can check out the documents and data, the app size as well. Now go ahead, check them out thoroughly. And if you find any unfamiliar app, you're going to go ahead, tap on them, and you can tap on delete app entirely. That's what you can do to remove them first thing, right? And the next thing you can do is you're going to go back to your general section again. And you're going to go ahead, scroll and tap on VPN and Device Management. So now here you will find the list of unrecognizable suspicious profiles if you have any. You're going to go ahead, tap on them individually and remove them particular profiles entirely. That will also help you out. Now next is audit app permission. You're going to go ahead, go back from this section. From the settings section, you're going to scroll down, tap on privacy and security. And here you're going to go ahead, go to the section of camera, scroll down a little bit. Here you will check if there is any unfamiliar app or the app that does not require a camera permission. You can turn that off, and you can turn that off. Now next thing, you can also gonna do same thing for the location and for the microphone. You're gonna simply go ahead, find a particular app that does not require any suspicious. You're gonna turn them off and you're gonna remove the app entirely. That's what you can do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.